guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a USB table lamp. So in case you guys are looking for some table lamp, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open it and see. This is the table lamp. You can see the package. And this is the packaging. You can see the inside. Comes with two table lamps. See. Okay. And this is. It has the USB port. That's good. So let's do another one.
Okay, so you can put it like this and then you can do like this. So why
So both light work fine. So you can make it like a chain, like here.
now if you do this, it will turn off.
Yeah, and turn on, turn off with that button. So I just make it like a chain, so I can show you. So this is the fast touch. In the fast touch, you can here by touching this one, you can turn on the light. The first touch is like 25 to 35%. Then second touch is almost like 60 to 70% light, and this is 100% light. And this one is turn off. So this is like really cool. Yeah, by touching this one. Yeah, I really like it. It's like a really great quality and it's really easy to use. If you are looking for a night light, this one is like a really great one because these are like a touch sensitive, so you can put it in your bedside and by touching this one you can turn on or turn off. And if you don't like this color, you can change the bulb also. These are yellow light. I personally like white light, so definitely I will change it to white light. So in case you also like white light, then you can also change it. But I really like the feature, the touch feature, where you can touch the light and control the brightness. Which is really cool, and the quality of this light is also really great. Yeah, these have a USB point, so you can charge your phone also in the bedside. So these are the features are really good, and this inside portion is also really good quality, pretty sturdy. This is how the light looks. Yeah. You can put it both sides of your sofa, so it will look nice. Yeah, these are touch sensitive, so it's really easy to use. The touch, turn off and turn on. So guys, you can see this is like really cool to use this lamp, because these are touch control, so you can easily turn on and turn off by pressing this one. So yeah, this is like a really cool feature for your table lamp. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.